Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode. Today, for our lesson, we'll be examining the Anchor podcast. Now, this is a very exciting application. We'll use the podcast as a digital audio file, and it makes video recordings available on the internet for downloading. Typically available as a series. It is also referred to as an episode. Now, these files can be set up on a specific topic that is used in either a narrative style, a solo podcast, or a co-hosted podcast. It can be used as an interview podcast and a panel podcast. This is indeed a very useful tool. There are popular types. We have the society and culture, business, news and politics, and health. Now, how to use a podcast? First of all, you need to choose a topic. Choose a name. Choose a format. Create a cover art, get a professional intro, choose intro music, choose audio recording, and you may also edit as you go along. And then you think of your submission. So I'm going to be demonstrating how we go about doing our podcasting. Alright, so I'm already on the website, and I'm now going to be creating I'm going to be showing you the steps to create yourself a new episode. So I'm going to hit the record button, and you can select start recording. You go ahead and you speak whatever the topic is you have chosen. You speak about it, and you can end recording when you're finished. You give it up time to process. Alright, so our recording has been processed. You can now listen to what you have. Alright, so we see that our recording has in fact been recorded. So now we can add music to the recording. So we want to add it to background music. I want something a little bit cheerful. I can choose whether calm, cheerful, curious, dramatic, electronic, folksy. So there are many choices. So I'm going to look for something cheerful. Let us say probably a glass bead. So to try to see what it sounds like. Alright, you can go ahead and choose something else if that's not the taste that you're looking for. Alright, so you can now select the one that you want. Alright, so by sticking here, you select, you click apply. And once again, it has to be processed. Alright, after that, you can go ahead and listen to your podcast. Alright, so once you are satisfied with your podcast, you hit the save. You write a title. So this was just a test. So I select my test title and I click save. You can add a picture if you'd like. You can also publish. Right? So this is just a short clip of exactly what you do when you are creating your podcast. Bye.